For all our dental implant patients, we want the best results. We are very keen on always investing in the newest technology that will help the patient to go through this process in less time and also with less discomfort. What we have done, we have a microscope. With that microscope, we do microsurgeries, which help us to make sure that we are very minimally invasive and make sure that we only treat the things that we have to treat. Another important technology that we've been using for the last 2 years is called PRF. What we do is we draw some blood from the patient, we put it through a centrifuge that separates the white and the red blood cells. And the white cells, we put that in the healing area, in the wound, and that accelerates the healing drastically. So it helps with the healing, it helps with the healing time, it helps with the pain. So all those things that we do are just to make sure that our patients heal faster and have less discomfort. We also offer the latest technologies with an intraoral scanner so that we don't have to take the impressions that we used to take in the past with alginate, the goop that just would stick everywhere. That's very important for us because it's also more accurate. And we have our in-house dental lab where we have a 5-axis milling machine. That milling machine can mill all our bite splints, our zirconia crowns, our zirconia bridges, and everything is done with the help of our very experienced lab technicians that help us to design everything. That technology helps us a lot. We also have a 3D printer. That 3D printer prints all our surgical guides, and they also print our tri-indentures to make sure that the patients are really happy with the outcome. All our patients go through different prototypes of those teeth so that they are really aware and like the teeth before we actually do the final prosthesis for them. So we offer all these technologies just to make sure that it's more efficient for us to see the patient. That reduces drastically the chair time for the patient. It reduces all the visits they have to come. And another thing too is that we have all this technology so that the patients don't have to go to different places. They don't have to go to different practices. Everything is kept here under one same roof. So if you want to know more about the technology that we use for your dental treatment planning, please give us a call and we will be happy to help you out.